Alright, going back to where we left off, talking about her grandmother, that she was a خياطة شاطرة, that she was a talented seamstress. كانت تخيط فساتين حلوة. This is a form 2 verb, imperfect. So she would sew. فساتين is the plural of فستان, dress, gown. It's also an MSA word. حلوة, pretty. So she would make pretty dresses. هذا خالي رمزي. So pointing to a photo, she points out her uncle. وهو مزارع, and he's a farmer. ودايما بجيب لنا خضرة. So بيجيب, imperfect verb, he would bring. إلنا, he would bring to us or for us. This is by the way, a dialect verb, very, very common for, it's translated bring. So he would bring vegetables. وفواكه طازة. And he would bring fresh fruit. وهذه خالتي سامية, وهي محامية مشهورة وبتعرف كيف تحكي منيح. So, and that's my aunt, Samia, and she is a muhamia, she's a lawyer. مشهورة, she's a famous lawyer. وبتعرف كيف تحكي, and she knows how to speak. She knows how to speak well. منيح. يالك, انتي محظوظة. يالك is congratulations. You are lucky. هذه صورة عمي. And this is a picture of my paternal uncle. وعمتي, paternal aunt. هذا عمي نادر, وهو بوليس. ودايما بحكي لنا نتبع قوانين. And he is police, or yeah, that's obviously English. ودايما بحكي لنا, again, here's, remember how I said the ya and the lam were mixed? Here it is in the right order now. So, and he would daima, he would always بحكي لنا, speak to us. نتبع القوانين. Again, notice that there's no conjunction. He would say to us to follow, or that we should follow. It just says we follow. He would tell us to follow قوانين, the laws. وهذه عمتي نور, وهي صحفية. And this is my auntie Noor, and she is a journalist. تشتغل بمحطة تلفزيون محلية. So تشتغل, she works. بمحطة, again you have the epenthetic vowel. That B is the preposition in. محطة is a station. تلفزيون. Excuse me, this is an إضافة. بمحطة تلفزيون. Notice the adjective محلية is feminine, so it's a local station, so it modifies the first term in the إضافة. ما شاء الله. وهلا يلا نشرب قهوة. And now, yalla, let's drink coffee. Alright. So listen, I recommend that you listen to this recording a few times and try and read it for yourself.